Hi students, today you are taking your science metric summative. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure your first name and your last name is up here in the box, along with what period you have science. So make sure that you have your last name on there. It is much easier for your science teachers to grade your work. Then this is where your teacher will write how many points you received and what your letter grade is, A, B, C, D, E, or F. But I am confident, we are confident you are all going to get A's, B's, and C's. All right, students, you got this. Let's start. So first, you are going to look at the pictures below. There are 6 pictures for you to look at. You are going to identify the correct metric unit to measure that object. Your choices are millimeter, centimeter, or meter. Remember which one is the smallest, which one is the middle unit, and which one is the biggest. Let's take a look at the first one. Here we have a carton of milk. So think about the grocery store when you get some milk, and what would you use to measure the carton up and down? Millimeters, centimeters, or meters. The next one is the thickness of a ring. So this arrow shows you from side to side. How would you measure that? With millimeters, centimeters, or meters? Then the next one is the width of your iris. So this is the colored part of your eye. How would you measure that? Then the height of a door. What would you use to measure the height of a door? Put that right here. Then this is a real car. It's super cool. I wish I could afford one of those, but I don't think being a teacher I'll ever be able to do that. But someday, students, maybe you will be able to if you're going to be an amazing scientist. What would you use to measure the length of a car like this? Millimeters, centimeters, or meters? How about a pencil? A regular pencil, what would you use to measure? All right, students, if you need to pause, press pause until you're ready to go on. Okay, students, next, you are going to sort all of these units into the correct column. You're going to decide, is our unit in the metric system, what we use in science, or is it the customary system, what the United States uses? So remember, is it science, or is it what you know from life in the United States? We gave you a hint. 6 of the units of all these up here are going to go in this box. 4 are going to go in this box. Okay, let me read them for you. Centimeter, meter, gram, mile, ounces, Celsius, inch, Newton, milliliter, and Fahrenheit. Okay? All right, students, press pause, put them in the boxes. If you need to rewind the video to listen, do that, and then press play when you're ready to go on. Okay, students, your last job is choose an image from your table. Then use the words below to write an observation, a prediction, a hypothesis, and an inference for that image. So you're going to write the 4 skills for one picture. Make sure you write in complete sentences. Okay? Here are your word choices. I infer that, I predict that, if, then, will, because, see. You need to decide where you use these. You're going to write a prediction in this space. You're going to write a hypothesis in this space. You're going to write an observation in this space and an inference in this space. Okay? All right, students, good luck. Ask your science teacher if you need any help or have any questions. We might be able to answer some of them for you. Then, when you are finished, feel good that you did it. Look over all your answers one more time to make sure you like what you have chosen. All right, students, good luck.